This is about Zoho Marketing Plus, a unified marketing platform that helps businesses plan and execute their day-to-day marketing operations. Marketing Plus gives businesses tools for sending email blasts, posting to social media, hosting webinars, online events, or in-person events, surveying customers, optimizing websites, and analyzing the success of their marketing efforts. Let's take a look at just a couple examples of how Marketing Plus can help. Businesses can use projects to stay organized with all of their marketing efforts. Let's look at this example of a mobile app launch. In this project, I can see a timeline of everything that's planned. We have an email campaign that's going to be going out, and then we also have a survey going out to some customers. The date of the launch is entered in here, and then we have a social post happening the day after that. There's also an event and a blog that are scheduled for later in the month. Over in the activities section, you can add more marketing activities onto your project. To do this, you just click the plus button, and then you have a choice of many different options. Let's start by adding an email campaign. First, you enter basic information, like choosing your sender and adding in a subject line. In the next step, you can choose which email template you want to use to build your campaign, like a welcome email for new customers, a thank you when somebody makes a purchase, or newsletter templates that can fit different types of business themes. Another type of activity you could add is a social post. With Marketing Plus, you can write a post once and then send it out to multiple social networks at one time. After writing your post, you can click to choose which social networks you want it to be published to. Over on the right, you can schedule a post for later, or you can use the Smart Queue, which tells you which time to post to reach the maximum amount of your audience. In the Analyze section, you can check up on the website activity for any web pages you've built associated with this project, and monitor your social media accounts to check whether people have been responding to you or using the hashtags that you've promoted on your campaign. Marketing Plus also includes marketing automation, where you can go to create marketing journeys that automate a bunch of steps in a row. One example is with the webinar template journeys offered by Marketing Plus. When we start with this template, we can choose a webinar to trigger our automation, and then we can take a series of different actions before or after the webinar. The red boxes indicate the different actions that we can take based on whether people attended or didn't attend the webinar. Businesses can quickly put together surveys using a number of pre-made survey fields. These surveys can have branching logic and ask different types of questions based off of how people respond to them. Using PageSense, you can set goals for your website, analyze how visitors interact with it, and optimize it over time to increase conversions. One way to analyze your traffic is with heatmaps. Heatmaps let you see where visitors' attention has been drawn to and what things get clicked most on each page of your website. Our webinar tool helps you engage with audiences that are already showing a bit of interest. You can use this tool to schedule meetings with your colleagues, or you can use it to host webinars. You can create registration pages and even run polls to learn more about your audience. Backstage helps businesses plan, promote, and conduct their live events or their online events. When you create an event for Backstage, you can build an entire event website that's customized just for your event. Marketing Plus also includes a unified analytics tool that lets you pull in data from your Zoho applications and third-party sources like social media networks. You can view dashboards that are pre-built with a bunch of information that you might want to see, and everything is completely customizable. Because Marketing Plus unifies all of your tools in one platform, it makes it much easier for managers to administrate their software. It's easy to make sure each user only has access to what they need to see. By unifying all of these functions into a single platform, Zoho Marketing Plus becomes a one-stop shop for small businesses.